In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete audio in Canva. Whether you've uploaded the wrong track, changed your mind about a sound effect, or simply want to clean up your media library. Knowing how to remove audio files will help keep your projects organized and easier to manage. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account and you've opened any design. It doesn't really matter which design you choose, you just need to be inside the Canva editor so you can access your uploads. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical panel with different options like elements, text, and more. In that panel, click on the option labeled Uploads. When the Uploads panel opens, you'll see different tabs for media types. At the top of this section, look for the tab that says Audio. Go ahead and click on the Audio tab. This will filter your uploads so that Canva only shows you the audio files you've previously uploaded, such as music tracks, voiceovers, or sound effects. Now, scroll through your list of audio files and find the one you want to delete. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct file, especially if you have several with similar names. Deleting the wrong one can be frustrating, particularly if you use it in multiple designs. Once you've found the audio you want to remove, move your mouse over that file. You should see a small icon with 3 dots appear, usually in one of the corners of the audio thumbnail. These 3 dots open a menu with additional options for that specific file. Click on the 3 dots to open this menu. After you click on the 3 dots, a small drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. In this list, look for the option that says Delete. When you click on Delete, Canva may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the file. This is your last chance to make sure you've chosen the correct audio. Confirm the deletion and Canva will permanently remove that audio file from your uploads. Once it's deleted, the file will no longer appear in your audio uploads panel, and it won't be available for future designs unless you upload it again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted audio in Canva, keeping your workspace neat and your projects easier to manage.